Hi everyone, I'm David Wang speaking to you from Huawei Shenzhen campus. Welcome to Huawei Industry Digital Transformation Conference. You know, we've just finished celebrating the Spring Festival. Every year in China, the Spring Festival marks the beginning of the largest human migration in the world. Through this event, we see how culture, geography, and commerce have changed over the years. We can also see how people interact with one another and how they connect with various modes of transport. Yet this year, this migration was not possible because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Many of my colleagues and friends were not able to go home for the holidays. I myself didn't go home neither. This is just one way of how the pandemic has turned our lives upside down. When we look at the whole world, it is clear that our destiny has changed. Despite this, technology has brought some exciting news. As digital transformation accelerates, the distance and interactions between people and space, between people and machines will be changed. Huawei is committed to bring the digital to every person, home, and organization for a fully connected, intelligent world. I believe the intelligent world is like castles in the air. As Thoreau said, if you have built castles in the air, now you have to put the foundations under them. At Huawei Connect last September, we launched Intelligent Twins. This was the industry's first reference architecture for the intelligent upgrade of the governments and enterprises. Intelligent twins are made up 4 layers: intelligent interaction, intelligent connectivity, intelligent hub, and intelligent applications. Based on AI and digital power, as well as synergy between cloud, network, device, and edge, intelligent twins feature comprehensive sensing, all-domain collaboration, precise prediction, and ongoing evolution.
In February, the Shanghai Urban Operations Management Center, the Shanghai Hongpu District Government, and Huawei jointly released results of digital governance for minimum management units in Shanghai. In the Century-Old Nanjing building, we worked with the ecosystem partners to build a digital twin system based on the City Intelligent Twins reference architecture. This pilot of a minimum management unit for urban governance enables real-time prediction, detection, and handling of urban management incidents. This project is Shanghai's exploration in the digital transformation of mega-city governance, and is also the first application of City Intelligent Twins in Shanghai.
Based on the intelligent twins, Huawei has worked with the customers and partners to develop scenario-based solutions and explore industry needs through over 600 projects. We will build a foundation for the intelligent world by focusing on the key domains such as cloud services, data centers, wide area networks, campuses, and digital power. Today, my colleague and I will share more of Huawei's innovative solutions and practices. Let's first look at the Intelligent Hub, which is mainly based on the cloud infrastructure. In recent years, there has been a huge gap between enthusiasm for the academic research of AI and the calm response of the commercial use of AI. The core issues that intelligent upgrades faces is how to bridge this AI divide so that we may combine industry know-how with AI and take this AI technology from a traditional enterprise support system and apply it to the main business processes. Being the brain and the decision-making system of intelligent twins, cloud services can help address those issues. With cloud-native cluster federation technology, Huawei Cloud has developed the multiple cloud container platform to manage the cloud across clusters and regions. Fusion Insight builds the logical data lakes and quickly aggregate all types of data such as image, videos, audio, and natural language, where they are logically and centrally managed and analyzed. This enables data sharing across regions and departments. Model Arts simplify and automates the full lifecycle of the AI development management. So anyone will be able to develop AI applications. An expert can focus on more on algorithms and models. Model Arts embeds industry know-how into the software suites and industry workflows. This means that we can provide the industry expertise in a simple template, helping partners and developers to quickly develop intelligent applications. Very smart, isn't it? Huawei Cloud has now become one of the most intelligent clouds in the world.
Huawei Cloud played a crucial role in the construction of the Shenzhen Intelligent Twins. In Shenzhen, about 95% of licensing applications can now be handled online, and traffic speeds during peak hours have increased by 10%. At Shenzhen International Airport, the ratio of on-time flight departures has increased to 90%, and average wait times have decreased by 40%.
In addition to the cloud infrastructure, data centers are also the foundation of the intelligent hub. This is where the data transfer, storage, and computing take place. As data grows exponentially, a large amount of service data needs real-time analysis. Data storage will require lower latency and higher concurrency. Data center network performance also affects AI computing power. 0.1% of a packet loss could reduce the computing power by 50%. We need the hyper-converged data centers with all flash storage and all Ethernet networks to achieve efficient data storage and lossless transmission. Huawei's hyper-converged data center solution includes OceanStor and Cloud Fabric 3.0. The storage solution uses the NVMe architecture from end to end, doubling industry average storage performance. The lossless Ethernet technology and lossless algorithm guarantees zero packet loss in the data center networks. An increase in AI computing power and storage efficiency by over 30%. This innovative technology makes the intelligent hub more effective and efficient by enabling massive data storage, the free data flows, and efficient computing.
A hyper-converged data center network has been used at Bank of China, compared with the fiber channel storage network used before. The new network storage throughput performance is 85% higher, and the congestion latency caused by traffic bursts is up to 50% lower. Within data centers, storage networks and service networks are seamlessly interconnected, significantly improving IT infrastructure automation and service agility.
Intelligent connectivity is the body of intelligent twins, connecting the intelligent hub and intelligent interaction. As governments and enterprises go intelligent, the requirements on the connectivity have greatly changed. They need higher bandwidth, deterministic experiences, and hyper-automation in O&M. For example, the digital transformation in the electricity sector needs a deterministic network to ensure the 6 nines or even 7 nines reliability. The finance sector has similar requirements as well. According to the third-party advisory report on the financial transactions, a 1 millisecond reduction in the latency can guarantee an economic gain of $1 million. Let me now talk about some of our key products and solutions. Intelligent twins are designed to meet the diverse connectivity scenario requirements. To meet those requirements, Huawei has made many innovations on the connectivity technology platforms to build the time delay determined networks. For the optical transport platform, we have created the optical slicing technology. It supports a dynamic lossless bandwidth adjustment from 2 megabits per second to 100 gigabits per second and reduce the latency by 30%. This has provided a network foundation with the deterministic latency, perfect for the electricity and transport sector to go intelligent. We have made many innovations to the intelligent IP network platform to support the time delay determined networks using SR version 6 technology. Based on SR version 6, we have created an intelligent cloud map algorithm. This algorithm uses the load of a network and data center to generate a real-time latency and bandwidth routing map. This provides the services with the optimal paths for the lowest latency. This also provides a network foundation with the deterministic latency, perfect for the finance sector to go intelligent. Time delay determined networks are widely used in the electricity and finance sectors. With an optical transport platform, we have built a 100 giga deterministic network for the Saudi electricity company. This 70,000 kilometer fiber network connects more than 1,100 power transmission and transformer substations. It supports the unified transport of the multiple services with smart grid services we'll need over the next decade. Based on intelligent IP network platform, Huawei built a time delay determined network for the Agriculture Bank of China. With our leading SR version 6 technology, this network is automatically adjusted based on the link load every once in a while. This leads a higher connection efficiency and performance. 90% of people's time is spent on the various types of the campuses, while 80% of the world's GDP is created on the campuses. The campuses form the basic unit of the intelligent world, each handling a huge amount of intelligent interactions. Meanwhile, the campuses are becoming more and more complex, and inefficiency has become a major issue. People are always waiting. They're waiting queues to go through gates. They wait for the online meeting to start, and they wait for the remote access when collaborating with others. And the list goes on. I'm now at Huawei's global headquarters in Shenzhen, where 38,000 employees work. This campus supports Huawei's global business. Huawei also has more than 1,000 offices around the world. Let's take a look at how intelligent cloud works on Huawei campus.
The joint optimization of multiple technologies has created a campus that features cloud, intelligence, fully wireless access, and all optical barrier. Now we don't have to wait any longer. Employees will no longer have to wait at turnstiles to scan their badges or clock in. With Wi-Fi 6, we can work and get connected anytime and anywhere. Once we access Huawei ID Hub, we can immediately start video conferencing and meeting minutes can be automatically generated. We can access WeLink using the non-blocking all-optical transport network with ultra broadband. This enables mobile phone projection and real-time translation. We no longer need to wait for the computer to boot up. 5G also supports the real-time transmission of 4K video by UAVs, so that we can see what's happening on campuses in real time, building fully safe environments.
The intelligent cloud campus with multiple technology collaboration makes work more efficient. On such campuses, no waiting means no wasting. Our intelligent cloud campus solution is helping the manufacturer campuses and coal mine campuses to improve the service experience, safety, and efficiency. Let me now turn to the topic of sustainable development, a challenge we all face. To address it, we need the green technologies for the energy conservation and emission reduction. On the one hand, industrial intelligence upgrade has accelerated the development of the global digital economic. This has not only made our economic more resilient, it has also reduced the carbon emissions in all aspects of life. Yet on the other hand, where industry undergo intelligent upgrades, they will consume more energy. Therefore, when we build intelligent twins, it's critical we figure out how to save energy and reduce emissions. Huawei has integrated the power electronics and digital technology into the power system. We have come up with green digital power solutions for the intelligent twins. Through collaborative innovations in components and inverters, such as multiple channel MPPT, efficient conversions, and SDS intelligent tracking optimization, we can increase the system power generation by more than 3% compared to the traditional centralized solutions. This enables the green power generation. With a prefabricated and modular construction model, we can reduce the data center construction cycle from 20 months to the 6 months. Our unique indirect evaporative cooling technology and air cooling technology can reduce the energy consumption by 17%. And with that, we have the green data center. PV modules at the site can support integrated power generation and storage, and integrated AC and DC power supply. This enables simplified green site without the need for the diesel generators, and greatly reducing the cost of the electricity by 60%.
In the Binghanu area on the east bank of the Yellow River in Baofeng, Ningxia, the 640 megawatt PV power station we're building with partners integrates international leading flat single-axis automatic tracking technology. This enables solar panels to follow the light like sunflowers and increases the power generation by more than 20% compared with the traditional PV power stations. Over 400 square kilometers of high-quality organic wolfberries have been planted under the solar cells to control about 650 square kilometers of desertified land.
So far, we have to look at the intelligent cloud, the hyper-converged data center, time delay determined networks, highly efficient campus, and green power. I will hand over to my colleague that will share with you our latest solutions and the case studies in each of the 5 areas I have just mentioned. First, my colleague Jacqueline Shi will share with you the latest progress and the practice of Huawei Cloud.
Hi, this is Jacqueline at Huawei campus in Shenzhen. 2020 has been an unusual year. Great changes have taken place in the way we work and how we live our lives. Many more people now use the cloud on a daily basis. For example, cloud classes, cloud offices, cloud meetings, etc. Today, cloud is a major part of the infrastructure that is powering digital transformation across industries. For those of us who live in cities, we can feel how intelligence is making our lives more convenient. Take Shenzhen for example. With intelligent traffic optimization, the efficiency of many busy roads has been roughly improved during rush hours. Many commuters no longer need to worry about traffic jams. I often travel between Shanghai and Shenzhen, and I can feel the huge changes that are happening at Shenzhen Airport. Now, I can reach the boarding gate from the airport entrance in only 10 minutes. That's unthinkable before.
In 2019, Shenzhen Airport became one of the world's busiest airports, serving over 50 million passengers annually. The airport faced immense pressure in terms of operation safety and passenger services, and it was technology that came to their help. Working together with Huawei, Shenzhen Airport came up with many innovations, aiming to improve operational efficiency and quality. And the results were significant. Shenzhen Airport has shortened stand allocation time from 4 hours to just 1 minute per flight for its over 1,000 flights per day. Annually, 2.6 million fewer passengers need to be shuttled across the tarmac. This has greatly improved passenger experience.
We can see that in many industries, intelligent upgrade is accelerating. In 2020, we launched the Intelligent Twins architecture, which includes 4 layers: intelligent interaction, intelligent connectivity, intelligent hub, and intelligent applications. One of the most unique features of Huawei Intelligent Twins is the collaboration across cloud, network, edge, and device. The Intelligent Hub is the brain of the Intelligent Twins. It is powered by a cloud foundation and 3 technology enablement services, including application enablement, data enablement, and AI enablement. So what's the value of all this to enterprises? We believe in a digital economy, cloud is no longer just about provisioning resources. Instead, it is an application-centric platform that will reshape the core competitive strengths of enterprises. In the future, enterprises will shift from on-cloud to in-cloud. They will need to build and involve new capabilities such as AI, big data, edge computing, and video in a cloud-native environment, and integrate these capabilities into their businesses. They will need to create a synergy between legacy and new applications to allow smooth evolution into the future. They will also need to let data and AI flow within their organizations so they can make the most out of them. Huawei Cloud is committed to providing global customers with leading cloud services, including cloud computing, cloud storage, and full-stack AI solutions. Using a software-hardware synergy, Huawei Cloud provides ultra-high performance and cost-effective cloud services. For example, our containers. It is the first to achieve zero-loss performance for containerized applications, and it uses the same architecture for public cloud, hybrid cloud, and edge cloud. It also supports multi-cloud governance and edge cloud synergy to meet the diverse cloud needs of today's enterprises. Huawei Cloud has launched more than 200 cloud services and solutions for customers around the world. We now have more than 19,000 partners and have attracted 1.6 million developers. Over 4,000 applications are available in our marketplace now. Currently, Huawei Cloud is the world's fastest growing public cloud, with nodes covering 23 regions around the world, operating in 45 availability zones. We now have data centers in Asia, Latin America, and Africa. We have a deep understanding of customer needs. We make long-term investment in local markets and insist on Huawei's global vision and build enormous ecosystem. Therefore, we can provide global customers with cloud services that meet the local market needs and help them accelerate intelligent upgrade. To help enterprises move to intelligent upgrade, we provide application enablement by Roma, helping enterprises migrate applications from on-premise to cloud and simplify application lifecycle management. We use Roma to help Shenzhen government to build the city's intelligent operation center that streamlined over 110 IT systems of 44 departments in 11 districts, including over 25 billion records in 31 categories and over 300,000 channels of video data. That's really powerful. To help enterprises break down data silos and unleash the power of data, we also provide data enablement services. Using Huawei Cloud's Fusion Insight logical data lake solution, enterprises can centrally manage and analyze physically dispersed data, achieving cross-region, cross-department, and global data sharing. What I want to suggest is that AI is the core capability that drives intelligent upgrade. Combining AI with industry knowledge allows enterprises to reshape experience, improve processes, and jumpstart innovation. We use Model S to provide AI enablement services. For example, we can use Model S to simplify and automate the development of industry models. Based on different characteristics of each industry, Model S also integrates industry know-how into development suites to allow template-based development. What it means is that customers can quickly develop intelligent applications to suit their own needs without having to know a lot of domain-specific algorithms. Isn't this wonderful? Based on our experience from many projects, Huawei Cloud has developed over 300 industry knowledge models.
Southeast Asia is famous for its spicy food, and chili is one of the most popular food ingredients in the region. The quality of chili determines the taste of various spices made from chili powder. Founded in 2007, Hexa Food is a Malaysian food production company that specializes in producing high-quality spices.
In order to keep up with the digitalization and to remain competitive, we have been doing a lot of digital transformation in our company. For example, in our factory, food safety and food quality is greatly enhanced because of AI. The chili that we use for raw material differs from batch to batch and from time to time. Because of this, our workers spend a lot of time trying to differentiate between the good and bad chilies, which affects our productivity. Our IoT team builds and trains a chili identification model on Huawei Cloud Model Arts. With the help of Model Arts, it is able to differentiate between good and bad chilies and reject the bad chilies, which saves us a lot of time.
We are really satisfied and appreciate the support from Huawei Model Arts. From the Huawei Cloud technology, we hope that it can extend to the edge because it's really giving me the perceptions of there's a platform that's really user-friendly. It's a one-stop solution for us. I just need to log on to the platform, follow the step-by-step guidance, and the Model Arts AI engine will do the work for me. The best part is, it doesn't limit to this. It's fully customizable to different level of AI technologies. With this, it's fully compatible with multiple framework and platform, which allow us to develop our IoT solutions to suit different market needs. We are really satisfied and appreciate the support from Huawei Model Arts. From the Cloud Model Arts, we are looking forward to extend to edge computing.
Collaborating with Huawei enables us to take the first step into the world of AI, which promises possibilities and ideas fruition. We are applying AI in our manufacturing process, and we plan to slowly extend it to environmental and to agriculture and also families. So what we intend to do is to build a fully connected, intelligent world with Huawei.
So we can see the marriage between AI and industry knowledge is creating completely new value for all industries. Our target is to share Huawei's expertise in AI with our customers and partners in the form of cloud services. So we can really use AI to find new growth opportunities. Huawei Cloud is the core of intelligent twins, which makes it a foundation for digital transformation of industries. We are ready to work with all our partners and serve our customers to advance intelligent upgrade, to create new value together. And now, I will hand over to my colleague, Kevin Hu. He will share the latest on data centers. Over to you, Kevin.
Hello everyone, I'm Kevin. Today, intelligence is transforming enterprise. So for facial payment to virtual assistant, intelligence is everywhere in our daily life. So to keep pace, Huawei released the Intelligent Twins reference architecture. In this architecture, data center is the core and the foundation that stores large amount of valuable data. So these data are the main production factor of the intelligence world. During digitalization of enterprises, so we need to use data every moment. So data need to be efficiently stored and transited. To this end, storage and network must highly collaborate in data center. So first of all, we need to figure out how to store massive data.
Data volumes has been increasing explosively, while 33 ZB has been generated in 2018. This figure will be increasing to 180 ZB in 2025. To meet ever-increasing data storage requirement, Huawei provide all-scenario converged data storage solution, which features high performance, reliability, and efficiency. Today, the enterprise are under 5 to 10 times of performance pressure of co-production services during traffic peaks and are expected to deliver always-on services. On the other hand, energy saving becomes common sense around the world. For example, European Union is expected to aim zero carbon emission by 2050. Huawei Ocean Store Dorado has fully interconnected architecture. This architecture allows the system to remain operational even if 7 out of 8 controllers fail. Together with active-to-active disaster recovery solution, it achieves 7 nines reliability. In addition, Ocean Store Dorado all-flash storage implements 5-to-1 hard disk consolidation and the highest data reduction capability in the industry. Huawei Ocean Store Dorado has been widely applied in the industry, including government, finance, energy, and manufacturing. These devices carry customers' mission-critical production data. Huawei has been positioned as a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for primary storage areas for 5 years. High-performance computation, high-performance data analysis, big data. These applications are developing very fast, creating all new driving forces for the digital transformation of enterprises and improving work efficiency across industries. For example, vehicle R&D periods have now been reduced from 5 years to just 2 years. Gene sequencing periods are slashed from 13 years to a single day. Oil and gas exploration has evolved from 2-dimensional to 3-dimensional. However, massive of unstructured data pose significant challenges to CIOs, including how to deal with EB-level data with cost-effective, how to deal with diverse type of data, and how to achieve high-performance data access. This is where Huawei's OceanStor Pacific next-generation data lake storage comes in. OceanStor Pacific provides super capacity expansion of up to 4,096 nodes, 60 higher performance density, and 2.6 times higher capacity density than the industry, as well as hybrid workloads and multi-protocol interworking capabilities. Since OceanStor Pacific launched in 2020, it has been widely used for HPC, HPDA applications across all the industry, which include supercomputing, energy exploration, life science, and autonomous driving. Thanks to the distributed OceanStor OS software and the diversified hardware, Huawei's OceanStor Dorado all-flash storage and OceanStor Pacific Data Lake storage deliver a converged resource pool, ideal for maximizing data values across all scenarios.
Due to the demanding operational environment of the bank that includes heavy workloads, especially during peak periods, the requirement for uninterrupted availability and also flexibility in handling a mix of diverse systems, we wanted to have a storage systems to fulfill all these requirements. We proceeded with the adoption of Huawei as one of the enterprise storage providers of the bank.
Now, most of the storage devices are all flash, and more services are moving to the cloud. So with this change, data center network is transforming towards all Ethernet. However, two challenges are posed to traditional Ethernet: how to improve management efficiency and how to eliminate packet loss. On one hand, the service network has expanded to hundreds of times over and is too complex for people to operate and maintain manually. On the other hand, high-performance computing and storage networks require zero packet loss. Specifically, the computing performance will drop down even if the packet loss just 0.1%. So the next generation data center network must achieve intelligent operate, maintenance, and zero packet loss Ethernet. For this, Huawei launched the Cloud Fabric 3.0 hyper-converged data center network solution. Its core components include Cloud Engine, Data Center Switch, and IMOS NC platform. This solution is the first to achieve Level 3 autonomous driving network capability in the industry. By providing end-to-end intelligent deployment and operation, so the OPEX can reduce more than 30%. The solution can also build in all Ethernet computing and the storage network with zero packet loss, helping to release computing performance by 100%. For this service network, Huawei Cloud Engine series provided a wide range of data center switch that provided 10 gig Ethernet to 400 gig Ethernet interface. The flagship Cloud Engine 16800, the new platform, offers 768 400 gig Ethernet interface, achieving 5 times larger network scale than the industry. Huawei IMOS NC converges management, control, and analysis functions, and enable intelligent operation and maintenance. So NC platform can provide services in seconds, automatically detect, locate, and rectify faults in just several minutes. It's amazing. So how can Huawei achieve this? So basically, NC can abstract the physical network into a digital twin world. You know, there are many complex connections in our network, and it's very hard for a human to identify and describe them. Therefore, Huawei NC apply the knowledge graph that can present more than 1,000 complex relationships. This is really cool. So what's more, we also introduce more than 80 algorithms to perform the intelligent recommendation and simulation verification service. This will greatly improve network deployment efficiency and accuracy. Our network logic graph can also do self-learning through mechanisms like big data analysis, so we can actively to more than 80% network risks. So this is how Huawei and Master NC enable intelligent operation and maintenance. So compared with service network, HPC and storage have more strictly requirements for network performance. So in some financial business scenarios, so packet loss will directly lead to transaction failure. For the first time, Huawei has overcome the packet loss problem that had not been solved since the birth of Ethernet for more than 40 years, and exclusive realized Ethernet zero packet loss. So the key to this breakthrough depends on Huawei's original lossless intelligent algorithm. So based on the lossless DC algorithm, the cloud engine switch can dynamically adjust the queen threshold in real time. So in this way, we can ensure zero packet loss in any scenario. So under the same computing cluster size, the computing performance will be double. On the basis of zero packet loss in short distance, so Huawei has once again upgraded its features and launched the lossless DCI intelligent algorithm. So these algorithms can support more than 70 kilometers long distance lossless transmission between storage servers. So in this way, we can meet the business needs of extreme scenarios such as intercity, dual-active financial data centers. Cloud engine switches provided up to 400 gig Ethernet bandwidth, so which is 10 times higher than fiber channel. And the number of cross data center links is reduced by 90%. At the same rate, storage IOPS can be increased by 87%, and the latency can be reduced by 42%.
With the continuous innovation of financial business, the Bank of China is entering the intelligent stage. To fully mine the value of data, data centers not only need to meet the needs of mass storage and high-performance computing, but also need the support of high-speed and lossless networks. The lossless storage network, jointly created by the Bank of China and Huawei, has realized intelligence, large bandwidth, low latency, and zero packet loss. It can give full play to the advantages of all-flash storage with millions of IOPS. It can also meet the development needs of PB-level storage data in the future.
We really appreciate the recognition from Bank of China, and we will continue to build a high-quality network to create great value to customers. So far, Huawei's data center network solution has been successfully deployed in more than 12,000 data centers around the world. Our solution serves a wide range of industries such as financial, government, and the SP. In 2020 alone, Huawei attracted more than 2,800 new customers. So we are also recognized as Gartner Customer Choice 3 times in a row. For data center interconnection, Huawei DC Optics 2.0 solution provide ultra-broadband, simplified, and intelligent all-optic connections. Huawei Optic Trans Data Center 908 provided up to 80 terabit per second capability for optic fiber, reducing fiber cost by 60%. Its high integrated 6.4 terabit per unit design saves the DC room space by 50%.
Converge is striving to advance the Philippines' digital economy, and our new strategy of providing reliable IDC services based on future-proof DCI technology is at the heart of this. By cooperating with Huawei, we have learned about Huawei's leadership in the DCI field. Through Huawei DC Optics 2.0 solution, we are confident and ensured that Converge will thrive more in this field to provide the Filipino market with the services they truly deserve.
So data is valuable in 21st century. So if you can fully mine the value of data, so you will have more initiative in the future competition. Huawei will continually develop the hyper-convergence data center network solution. With the deep collaborate with storage and network, it will help customers building a powerful, intelligent hub and empower enterprises' digital transformation. How we connect data center and enterprise. Hand over to my colleague, and he will introduce more details about connectivity.
Throughout history, humans have used technology to convert non-deterministic to deterministic and to turn manual to automatic. For instance, we can now precisely forecast the weather for farming. Well, autonomous driving allows us to get around safely and easily. Today's digital society is faced with the explosive data growth, but such data can generate value only when it flows. Deterministic and hyper-automated intelligent connectivity provides information highways with high bandwidth, low latency, and great flexibility. Enables data to flow freely. It's like the artery of intelligent twins. As a manufacturing country, China's electricity consumption ranks first in the world. China has the world's longest ultra-high voltage direct current, or UHVDC, transmission system. It operates the most complex power grid and maintains the highest capacity. Optical transmission networks are crucial for UHVDC power systems.
A UHVDC power grid features high voltage and long transmission distance. Within such a grid, transmission and transformation devices cannot be managed manually. We have to use digital tools. These devices generate massive volumes of data every day, which must be transmitted to the control center securely and reliably. Let's take the DC Stability Control and Protection System as an example. The data generated by tens of thousands of signal terminals on hundreds of relays must be transmitted to the control center within several milliseconds. The loss of any data may lead to serious consequences. The optical slicing technology divides fibers into multiple physically isolated slices in order to allocate exclusive and physically isolated channels to various services in a UHV power system. In this way, interference and network congestion problems are solved, and differentiated and deterministic service requirements can be met. Sichuan Electric Power Company's Yazhong Jiangxi 800 kV UHV DC line will go online by the end of 2021. enabling Sichuan to reliably supply 40 billion kilowatt hours of power each year, serving 400 million people across 5 Chinese provinces.
Stable power supply is the cornerstone for our society. Optical slicing based on liquid OTN provides deterministic service experience and is essential to the digital transformation of the power grid industry. Meanwhile, fintech is changing people's consumption habits. In China, 86% of payments are done on mobile devices. This is the highest in the world. Powering such convenient mobile payment solutions are China's widespread digital banking systems. Hyper-automated connections are key to the processing of massive data from numerous outlets.
The Agricultural Bank of China is a pioneer in digital bank transformation. With 24,000 branches and widespread outlets, our services cover more areas than other commercial banks in China to reliably transmit massive financial transaction data between headquarters, branches, and outlets. We have introduced the next generation Smart Financial Cloud Backbone Network. It uses the SRv6 technology to implement fast, flexible, and automatic connections between headquarters, branches, and outlets, encompassing 3 headquarter data centers and 36 provincial and municipal areas in China. Thanks to such a capable technology, the network ran reliably during the 11/11 Shopping Festival in 2020, processing 849 million transactions worth $10 billion. In the future, the Agricultural Bank of China will continue to embrace new technologies and innovations. By building smart and automated networks, we aim to provide better services for our customers in the digital era.
Intelligent connectivity plays an important role in the digital transformation of various industries, including power grid, transportation, finance, and education. As the leader in the communications industry, Huawei launched optical slicing based on liquid OTN and next-generation routing protocol SRv6 last year. These 2 technologies help intelligent connectivity enter into a new era. The optical slicing based on liquid OTN technology is a major breakthrough in deterministic networks after SDH. It ensures deterministic service experience and meets the long-term digital transformation needs of industries, making it an ideal choice for upgrading SDH networks in industries such as power grid and transportation. Optical network is the most deterministic communication mode. Industries with high deterministic requirements such as power grid and transportation generally use traditional SDH technology. But there is one problem. SDH uses fixed slicing technology. Therefore, it cannot meet the differentiated service requirements of digital transformation. In contrast, optical slicing technology provides intelligent connectivity and is a much better choice. Over the past 2 decades, Huawei has been leading the upgrading of optical transport technologies. Last year, we launched the liquid OTN technology to promote the commercial use of optical slicing. Liquid OTN uses the same time division multiplexing technology as SDH. So, Liquid OTN not only inherit the advantages of physical isolation of SDH, there are two additional innovations. First, it simplifies protocol and introduces the OSU encapsulation technology, which reduces 3 layers encapsulation to 2. Compared with SDH, it cuts latency by 30%. Second, it features a converged architecture, combining the SDH and OTN technologies to provide small granularity slices and ultra-broadband. The size of a slice can be adjusted on demand in real time from 2 Mbps to 100 Gbps without impact on services. This year, we will continue to innovate in optical slicing technology. Liquid OTN will support service bearing on Ethernet ports on the power grid and transportation production networks. And the most important feature of Liquid OTN is that it provides a true deterministic experience based on physical isolation.
On the other hand, Huawei has launched Cloud WAN 3.0, intelligent cloud network solution. It uses the SRv6 to enable hyper-automated networks and allows services to be created in minutes instead of months in the past.
There are two revolutionary technical innovations in this solution. One is Cloud Pulse, which enables fast cross-domain service provisioning and one-hop access to the cloud. Another is the Intelligent Cloud Map algorithm, which schedules network traffic resource based on cloud utilization, guaranteeing high-quality access to the cloud every time and improving IDC resource utilization by 30%.
Huawei optical slicing based on Liquid OTN and SRv6 are two key technologies of Huawei intelligent connectivity. But that is not all. Huawei has also released the next generation optical transport platform and router based on our two key technologies. This is Huawei Optics Trans E6600, the industry first optical transport platform that uses the optical slicing based on Liquid OTN technology. It features Huawei's innovative 4-in-1 converged architecture, supporting SDH, PCM, packet, and OTN. Compared with previous generation products, it reduced latency by 30%, power consumption down by 40%, and equipment room footprint is reduced by 60%. This is Huawei Net Engine 8000, the industry's first smart router to support SRv6. It provides a full-service platform for private LAN BNG, DC gateway, and CGN services. It offers a capacity that's 1.5 times greater than the industry average, and yet take up 20% less space. Optics Trans E6600 and Next Engine 8000 have been widely used by power grid, transportation, finance, education, and government sectors all over the world.
With more devices connected, with higher expectations on the experiences, there's tremendous pressure on IT departments to deliver much higher quality networks that can support higher bandwidth applications. This requires fiber-based networking, fiber-based LANs.
ENGIE has made remarkable strides as driving force of global smart grid initiatives. Resultantly, ENGIE has one of the largest fiber optic network in the region with coverage more than 70,000 kilometers. network bandwidth usage up to 8 terabytes. In the road of these developments, we choose to work closely with Huawei to achieve fruitful results in the power grid ICT field.
Till now, Huawei NE-series router products and IP metro solution work well in BizNet network. With the development of BizNet network, we will continually cooperate with best solution providers such as Huawei to build a feature-oriented network with high performance, high stability, simple architecture, and easy management network, and providing the best service to Indonesia customer.
RV6 or segment routing based on IPv6 is including as well BRv6 and APN6 will help networks meet the requirements of digital transformation industries and provide agile and differentiated network services for different services, customers, and scenarios.
Huawei has been our partner since 2008 in laying the foundational layer of transport and enterprise. I believe mutually we have both benefited from this partnership, both learning what the industry needs.
And finally, let me just say, Huawei will continue to focus on technology and innovation in the intelligent connectivity. Our vision is to build deterministic and have automated intelligent connectivity to enable fully connected intelligent world. Thank you.
A fully connected, intelligent world is fast approaching us. Campus will be the CEOs carrying all the DNA needed for this world. Hi, everyone. I'm Bob Chen. We're now at Huawei Songshan campus. In today's modern world, campuses are where we mostly work and live. They connect people, machines, science, and events seamlessly. Improving efficiency and experience on campuses is important, and it impacts the whole of the society. But what is an efficient campus with good experience? The answer is zero boundary office campus, zero waiting service campus, and zero danger production campus. On such campuses, we overcome space limits and connect everything through fully wireless access or optical barrier, cloud, and intelligence. In the physical world, boundaries are everywhere. This is because physical cables confine us to work in physical locations, even though traditional wireless technologies are used. Network performance is still poor. As a result, we can't freely work on the go. Similarly, in the digital world, boundaries are also everywhere. This is because there are multi-types of terminals with incompatible protocols, and application systems are siloed, meaning they fail exchange data with each other. Remove the boundaries of the physical world. We must start with mobile offices. Huawei has more than 1,000 office locations worldwide, all of which are now mobile offices. So we can join the video conference, print the documents, and clock in or out with mobile phones, anytime, anywhere on the campus. We can even hold a video conference on the shuttle train on our campus. To remove the boundaries of the digital world, we must start by connecting our terminals and sharing all kinds of data through cloud and digital platforms. To connect all terminals, we have deployed our High Campus Link solution. This solution uses IP-based devices, as well as standards and protocol compliance to ensure data interconnection across various terminals on the campus. We have also deployed our High Campus Core solution. This helps to build a digital platform on Huawei Cloud to share data, continuously accumulate industry knowledge, and help partners to quickly develop various applications. With this solution, we achieve convenient access, efficient security protection, and digital management of facilities and assets. Next, I will share two examples. Firstly, we have integrated our access control system and attendance system, so our employees automatically clock in and out when they pass through swimming gates. Another example is for fire alarm response. For this, we have linked multi-systems such as smoke sensor, AI camera, and access control gates. Once a fire is detected, swing gates open automatically and people are alerted to leave the building right away. In 2019, we finished the intelligent construction of our Songshan Lake campus. This helped improve our office collaboration efficiency by 30%. It also reduced the fire incident response time from 7.5 minutes to 2 minutes. Administrative operation efficiency is up by 30%. The Zero Boundary Office campus is quite amazing, right? Next, let's move on to the service campus. What services do we expect in the service campus? We all expect zero waiting services. In fact, zero waiting can be achieved in both the physical and digital worlds. First, let's look at the zero waiting in the physical world. Here, I'll share with you an example, a university library. When we go to the library to borrow a book, we may have to spend a long time to find the book because it is misplaced. The university town of Shenzhen has overcome this by deploying Huawei's fully wireless intelligent cloud campus solution. This solution helps building the network using Wi-Fi 6 and also introduce AI video recognition. The network converts Wi-Fi 6 and IoT to let robots automatically identify misplaced books. This enables teachers and students to find the books they want with zero waiting. Now let's look at zero waiting in the digital world. In peak hours during the pandemic, more than 10,000 users and 40,000 devices are online at the same time in the university town of Shenzhen. That's 10 times more network pressure than in normal hours. What's more, users often lose connection or have poor experience during online learning and academic video conferences. Huawei's cloud campus solution fully addresses these challenges. In particular, this solution provides a high HD and interruption-free experience for virtual interactive classrooms, where the teacher-student interaction increases by 40%. So we can see no waiting, no wasting. Next, I'd like to invite my colleague, Dr. Li Xin, to talk more about Huawei's Cloud Campus solution.
Hi everyone, I am Li Xin, President of Huawei's Campus Network domain. It's my pleasure to share with you Huawei's latest innovations on the Cloud Campus solution. Currently, our Cloud Campus solution has evolved to version 3.0, which has 4 unique features: fully wireless access, one global network, cloud management, and intelligent operation and maintenance. Firstly, we will launch 7 new L-Engine Wi-Fi 6 products and 5 Cloud Engine S-Series multi-GE switches that can support 90 watts PoE++. These new products are ideal for fully wireless access. They can be easily deployed in wireless offices, 4K telepresence conference rooms, and high-density conference centers in small and medium-sized enterprises. With these products, customers can benefit from 100 Mbps everywhere, intelligent, continuous networking, and lossless roaming experience. Secondly, we will also launch our new Net Engine AR8000 series intelligent routing gateways to enable one global network. These new products fully support SD-WAN and offer 20 Gbps SD-WAN performance, twice that of similar products in the industry. This makes them ideal for one-hop to cloud on large enterprise campuses. Thirdly, we will introduce intent-based intelligent verification on iMaster NCE campus. This greatly reduces the manual verification time from hours to minutes before service rollouts. Finally, Huawei iMaster NCE campus site offers intelligent operation and management. We will introducing new intelligent capabilities for application experience. It uses the unique EMDI and IPCA 2.0 technologies, as well as AI algorithms, to detect application quality in real time and report faults in minutes. In this way, users can enjoy high-quality office and the digital operation experience.
We are so glad to see that people are enjoying zero boundary and zero waiting services through Huawei products and solutions. But let's not forget those people who have to work in extreme and dangerous conditions on our behalf. To ensure a zero-danger production campus, we must do 2 things well. One is to remove danger, and the other is to prevent danger. Next, let's look at the coal mine industry. Removing danger must start with a secure, reliable network. That's where Huawei Industry Optics solution comes in. This solution uses one optic fiber network to achieve real-time insights and data exchange for devices, including underground sensors, mining machines, water pumps, and HD cameras. In this solution, passive devices replace active devices, helping to prevent explosions and improve safety. The optical network also offers high bandwidth and low latency needed for remote device operations. This reduces the number of workers required at the dangerous sites. Preventing danger can be achieved through AI computer vision technology. Using Huawei Cloud, AI computer vision technology can automatically identify dangerous behaviors, such as co-piloting on builds, and improper operation by personnel. All of this help lower security risks.
Mining systems are very important industrial systems with urgent demands for network construction. Modernizing mines requires powerful optical network support to facilitate information exchange and innovate mining control through big data.
Next, I'd like to invite Kim Jin to give more details about Huawei Industry Optics solution.
Hi everyone, I'm Kim Jin. Huawei Industry Optics Solution applies to the most demanding industrial scenarios. It ensures secure and stable service support in extreme environments of low and high temperatures, high humidity, surround dust, and strong electromagnetic interference. Based on optical technology, Huawei Industry Optics Solution ensures 4 types of safety for command operation. The first type is service safety. We introduce the industrial optical ring technology, which can resist multiple points of failure on the network. In case of network failure, the network recovery time would be less than 30 milliseconds. The second type is electrical safety. We use passive devices to replace active devices. This reduces the number of explosion-proof nodes by 40%, and therefore lowers the risk of electric sparks. The third type is deployment safety. Our passive devices have pre-connection capabilities, avoiding the needs of 1,800 centigrade fiber spacing underground. The passive devices can be manually installed without professional skills. Everyone can do it. The fourth type is maintenance safety. Our solution supports remote fault locating for optical fibers based on OTDR technology. The fault locating precision is 0.5 meter, and this reduces the underground maintenance time by 90%. What you see now is Huawei OptiStar T863E, the first intelligent industrial-grade optical terminal. It brings secure and reliable optical connections to mines and helps staff on the ground efficiently regulate underground production. We believe that Huawei Industry Optics Solution will help more customers from commerce and other industries to achieve higher operational efficiency through continuous innovation in the optical field.
Today, we have experienced the zero boundary office campus, zero waiting service campus, and zero danger production campus. We have also learned about Huawei's High Campus Core, High Campus Link, fully wireless intelligent cloud campus, and industry optics solutions. In the future intelligent world, we will see more campus scenarios. Going forward, we will continue to develop more scenario-specific solutions for more campuses using our 30 years experience and technology know-how. In doing so, Huawei's solutions can accelerate digital transformation of campuses and enable more service innovation, truly achieving zero boundary, zero waiting, and zero danger campuses. They will then inject new momentum into campuses to unlock endless possibilities. Next, I will invite my colleague, Zhou Taoyuan, to share more exciting announcements.
Hi, I'm Zhou Taoyuan. I'm at the Huawei headquarters in Shenzhen. Today, I would like to talk about how to achieve a greener, intelligent world. Carbon neutrality is a very important topic for our planet today, and it represents a common goal for all mankind. 28 countries around the world have officially committed to carbon neutrality targets. There are still great challenges to overcome if we want to achieve these targets. First, fossil energy accounts for more than 70% of our power production. We need to increase the proportion of clean energy, such as solar energy, to reduce carbon emission in power generation. Second, with the rapid development of intelligent world, the power consumed by global data center and sites will reach 1,600 billion kilowatt-hour by 2025. The intelligent world is benefiting our mankind, but at the cost of massive power consumption. Finding ways to build a greener, intelligent world is an important mission for us. For years, Huawei Digital Power has made many exciting innovations by integrating power electronics and digital technologies. Use speed to manage watt. We achieve green power generation and efficient power usage. For green power generation, our target is to achieve higher yields and efficient O&M. To reduce LCOE of utility-scale PV plants and the electricity cost of distributed users, enable solar energy to become a main energy source. For utility-scale PV plants, compared with traditional centralized solution, Huawei industry-leading high-efficiency string inverters integrate advanced technology such as multi-MPPT and intelligent tracking algorithm to enhance the energy use by more than 3%. Compared with manual O&M, Huawei Smart IV curve diagnosis shorten inspection time from 40 days to 50 minutes for 100 megawatts plants, improving efficiency and reduce cost. Huawei is going to launch the Smart String Energy Storage System this year. Compared with the traditional system, this system supports a DC coupling architecture, which reduces the cost per kilowatt-hour by more than 7%. We also find that distributed PV plant is becoming mainstream. Huawei provides green power solution for commercial, industry, and residential scenarios to reduce grid tariff. This solution adopts PV optimizers, which increase power use up to 30%. In addition, the smart string energy storage system helps to achieve up to 100% green power usage to enhance absolutely safety for rooftops. Huawei Green Power Solution provide the highest level of proactive arc protection by AFCI, which can shut down the system within 0.5 seconds in case of fire risks. Huawei Smart PV solution is deployed in more than 60 countries, generating a total of 325 billion kilowatt-hour of electricity. The residential green power solution is serving more than 500,000 households worldwide. As we know, digital transformation growing rapidly. Data centers are core to digital transformation, but they consume huge power. Huawei transformed the traditional data center by reshaping the architecture, cooling, power, and OEM to reduce power consumption, shortening the time to market. To build a simpler, greener, smarter, and more reliable next-generation data center. For architecture reshaping, a traditional data center takes more than 20 months to build, which means longer time to market, and very often its POE doesn't even meet the design requirements. Huawei's prefabricated and modular DC solution enable Lego-style construction, which shortens the time to the market from 20 months to 6 months, and the POE meets the design requirement. This solution reduces construction waste by 80% and reduces water consumption by 80%, and improve the recycle rate by 50%. Let me talk about our cooling reshaping solution. A traditional data center uses chilled water cooling systems, which has 7 components that need to exchange heat 4 times. Therefore, engineering is complex, cooling efficiency is low, and water consumption is high. Huawei AHU and iCooling solution can reduce data centers' power consumption up to 17% and cut water consumption up to 40%. For power reshaping, a traditional data center power system is integrated by separate components on site, resulting in a large footprint, low efficiency, low reliability. Huawei's convergent power pod solution reduces the footprint by 40%, which increases revenue by 15%. Due to more IT cabinets being deployed, and not only that, the 10 years TCO is reduced by 16%. Huawei Power Pod embeds more than 200 sensors, which means predictive maintenance can be implemented, thus further improving reliability of data center. For O&M reshaping, traditional data center rely on manual O&M. The problem is that maintenance efficiency and resource utilization are low. Huawei DCIM solution enable automation of data center, reduce O&M cost by 35%, improving resource utilization by 20%. For example, in Middle East, Huawei's prefabricated modular data center solution shortened the time to the market from 24 months to 9 months. Another example, in Hebei province in China, Huawei's iCooling solution decreased the PUE from 1.42 to 1.26 for a DC with 4,000 cabinets, saving 27 million kilowatt-hour of electricity per year. Digital transformation also needs a larger number of sites. Ultra-simplified sites and the green power supply are important. Traditional sites are built in equipment rooms, which prolong time to market, requires large investment, and consume lots of power. Site energy efficiency is only 60%. Huawei has launched an ultra-simplified site solution that uses cabinets to replace equipment rooms and blade power to replace cabinets, improving the site energy efficiency to amazing 96%. For a typical site, the solution can save about 15,000 kilowatt-hour of electricity per year. In addition, CapEx is reduced by 30% due to zero civil engineering. For unavailable or unreliable grid scenarios, traditional solutions use diesel generators, which means high cost and pollution problems. Huawei iPowerCube solution uses eMMO technology with simple and convergent architecture, supports multi-inputs, including solar and grid, and multi-outputs, including different voltage level. The solution minimizes fuel consumption. Not only can it cut electricity cost by 60%, it can also protect our environment. For example, in Zhuhai, China, Huawei iPowerCube solution replaced diesel generators, implementing zero carbon emissions and saving $16,000 per year. Carbon neutrality is also brought about a global revolution for electric vehicles. Huawei's target is to help car makers to build a better EV by providing high-performance components. For the power domain, Huawei launched the 7-in-1 Drive 1 e-powertrain, the first in the world, which is 20% smaller in size and 15% lighter than traditional solutions. It can adapt to different auto platforms, saving R&D expense and shortening time to market. We believe Huawei innovative digital power solutions will not only create commercial values, it will also contribute to sustainable development. So far, Huawei digital power solution has generated over 325 billion kilowatt-hour of green powers, reduced 10 billion kilowatt-hour power consumption. This is equal to planting 220 million trees for our planet. This shows technology can benefit mankind as well. Let me invite you, for together we can make a greener and more intelligent world.
Huawei has implemented the strategy of being integrated in the enterprise market. By the end of 2020, we have more than 30,000 partners in this market. Huawei will use its experience, technologies, and talent training standards It has built in the ICT industry over the years to build a healthy ICT talent ecosystem featuring openness, cooperation, and shared success. By the end of 2020, over 400,000 people had received Huawei certifications around the world. We are committed to cultivating another 2 million ICT talent in the next 5 years to make the talent ecosystem prosper and contribute to the digital transformation of all industries.
If you have built castles in the air, your work need not be lost. That's where they should be. Now put the foundations under them. With intelligent twins as a reference architecture, we are providing customers with a highly efficient campus, an intelligent cloud, growing power, hyper-converged data center, and time delay determined network solutions. The key features of the 5 solutions can form the word HYDE. Based on this concept, Huawei will provide the best products and solutions for enterprises worldwide to go intelligent. Many intelligent twins will form the intelligent world, with HYDE as its foundation. My friends, we are in a volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous environment. Let's use HYDE to manage it and explore the HYDE of the intelligent world together.